We're working on my car today. We're gonna install some inner and outer tie rods and see how it goes. So guys, I took off this outer tie rod here. Now you're gonna need a 19mm socket. I already did it, but first you want to loosen this nut. I just use this wrench here, adjustable wrench. Undo this. Do this second. Mine's pretty fucking shot. Look at that. Look how wet that is. So what you want to do is when you spin this off, you want to count how many spins. So we'll do 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22,
23. So when we get it back on, spin it 23 times. So you're gonna need this tool. I was lucky that where I work, my mechanic has this. Is a inner tie rod tool. You have your adapters here. So there's a piece at the end in here that you probably won't be able to get a wrench around. I'll bring my replacement one and show you how to put the adapter on. Let's see. So your adapter goes on to this part here. Let's see. How the fuck do you do this thing? Yeah, it goes on this part, and then you slide the whole entire tie rod inside, and then you use your regular wrench to take them off. So usually there is some clamps on the end of this, but I guess there is none on this one. You just slide the boot off. Find your adapter that fits. Which one was it? This one. I got it off. Okay, it was a pain in the ass. This thing sucks. There's a different one that it's like an adapter where half of this part comes off and you slide it over this, and then this bar goes over instead. But yeah, got it off. So you know, your whole car isn't like super off. Yeah, I know.
This is a new one, right?
Yeah. This thing's a pain in the ass to use. Okay. Don't want to make it too tight. Okay.
Stop licking me your gloves.
What is that? Lock this bolt. Okay. All right. see how this side had clips. The other side didn't have clips. So this is on the front of the boot. This is on the back of the boot. One-time clamps. You just stick a flathead screwdriver, pop it over. But we're just gonna use some zip ties. Yeah, this is off of something else. So this is the old Tierods, inner and outer. This was passenger side, and this is the driver's side. If you can tell, it's different. So whoever had owned this car before put something different on it. That's what I'm guessing, because the one that I ordered was two identical, look exactly like this.